Hi, Web. Coffee tayo.
Wow, coffee. Thank you, Bev.
Welcome.
Bev,
Yeah.
I was thinking ba,
Mm-hmm.
ikaw, what do you think na mangyari sa atin after 5 to 10 years?
Siguro, syempre, for me, we'll be able to build a family already with many kids. No, hopefully.
Ilang kids kaya?
Siguro minimum of 5.
Wow!
And then...
Kaya pa? Oh.
Kakayanin natin. And, syempre, sana magkaroon tayo ng flourishing business, na where we can
Wow.
also
I like that.
train our
Really.
kids din, di ba? And how about you? What are on your mind din?
Nakikita ko talaga, no, yung family natin, makaserve ni Lord.
Mhm.
Oo.
Yeah,
Especially
I
with
agree.
our kids. Oo. Gusto ko yan talaga. At nakikita ko yan kasi ikaw yung magiging husband ko. Ikaw yung father ng children natin.
Yeah, I'm excited na matry natin yan, masimulan natin yan. With the Christian community we are with, no? Yeah, I'm glad that you said it, Beb. Thank you. Ikaw, Beb, ano din sa tingin mo yung magiging tayo in those years?
Mas magiging sweet tayo.
Yeah.
Magiging strong tayo.
Gusto ko yan.
Wow.
And syempre, gusto ko rin naman talaga na syempre makikita ng anak natin na mas magiging loving tayo, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Naalala mo ba, Beb, yung proposal ko sa Cebu ko? Talagang yun eh. Wala talagang backup plan yun eh. So, nung hindi tayo natuloy sa Santa Cruz Island, sabi ko, ano kaya itutuloy pa ba? At sign ba to na wag mo na ituloy? Mga ganun. But I'm glad we did ba? So, nung time na yun, di ba, nag-isip tayo ng parang alternative venue. And, on the spot yun. Pero, sabi ko baka mamaya mahalata mo na. Nahalata mo ba?
Actually, hindi. Hindi talaga, wala talaga akong idea yun. Kasi, after 5 months? 5 months lang, di ba? Imagine that! 5 months! Nag-propose ka na sa akin. Ganyan ka ba talaga ka-in love? Joke.
Syempre naman talaga. Pati, pag talagang binigay na sa'yo ni Lord yung go sign,
Wow.
syempre hindi ka na magdududa.
Wow.
Yung akin lang is, was it the right timing? Parang gano'n. So, nung natuloy tayo sa Jeprox at yung sing-sing ay talagang tinatago-tago namin, sabi ko baka mamaya mamahalata mo na, paano namin isa-set up, mga gano'n. So, buti naman nagawan ng paraan. At if you remember, di ba nakatalikod tayong pareho nung bago ako lumuhod sa iyo. Di ba? So, nung pagtalikod mo, were you expecting na nakaluhod na ako?
Wala talaga. Wala talaga ako.
Hindi ka
Wala talaga.
hindi ka nakalata.
Hindi talaga ako nakahalata na.
You see? Yun, ninervyos nga ako. Akala ko nga baka may chance ka pang humindi sa akin.
Actually, well, thankful ako. Thankful ako kasi nag-propose ka. Oo. At last.
Parang ang tagal mo nag-aantay.
5 months lang naman.
Pero at least, di ba, parang din natin, napatanayan natin pareho na it doesn't take so many years to say yes to forever. But I'm glad, Ben, that you said yes. Thank you, Ben. Thank you.
Thank you din. Alam mo ba, Beb, kung ano ang listening ko sa'yo?
Ano?
Ano, godly ka. I remember praying to God before. Sinabi ko sa kanya, Lord, kung may ibibigay ka, someone who is godly. Kasi alam ko, yung mga good characters ng isang lalaki, it will automatically follow.
Thanks, Beb.
Oo. Tapos, you're so kind, you're so gentle. You know how to take care of me. I really thank God for you. Beb.
Of course naman, it's my pleasure naman to really take care of you. Especially because na-appreciate ko talaga yung pag-caring mo. Especially also na-witness ko na loving ka sa iyong family and you've taken care of them. Ikaw yung nakitaan ko din na very compassionate and you know how to listen. At napaka-supportive mo dun sa binibuild nating future and with God at the center of our relationship. So, nakita ko na you're very supportive na gawin yung magiging para sa kabutihan ng relationship natin. Especially sa ating relationship na long distance nga, di ba? Kaya nakita ko yung effort na binibigay mo araw-araw para ma-work out talaga natin yung relationship natin. Which brings us here, right? So, na-appreciate ko yun.
I thank God for you, Beb.
Me too. Beb, naalala mo how we first met?
Oo naman. Naalala ko, you introduced yourself to me right after the corporate event last year.
Yeah. Tapos may tinanong ako sa'yo. At ang tanong ko, are you taken?
Tapos sabi ko, unfortunately, yes. Supposedly, fortunately, yes.
Yeah, I remember.
Tapos binawi ko. Tapos sabi ko, fortunately, not. Tapos tumawa ka.
Oo, syempre kasi parang I had the courage already to invite you for a date the next day.
Oo.
So, you still remember where we had our first date?
Yes, of course.
O, saan?
Sa Krispy Kreme.
Yeah. And I remember din na yung convo natin doon was about getting to know each other, right? And you remember how it ended?
Oo, na-remember ko, of course. I asked you to pray over me. Oo.
And it warmed my heart kasi syempre, I was looking for a woman na who would partner with me and walk with the Lord.
Wow. Alam mo ba, because of that?
Yeah, because of that, we are here. We are where we are right now,
Yeah.
starting our journey to forever. Beb, alam naman natin na hindi talaga madali yung married na relationship, di ba? Pero alam naman natin na kung nakaya natin in the past, kakayanin din natin yung new life na i-build natin together. Di ba?
Nakaya na natin, di ba? LDR tayo.
Yeah. At syempre, di ba, we had to make effort na everyday ma-maintain yung consistent na communication natin. Salamat na lang at merong Messenger at meron pang Zoom at ibang mga virtual platforms, di ba? Buti na lang umabot pa tayo sa digital world, di ba? Pero kung nakayanan talaga natin nga, di ba, yung LDR, syempre kakayanin natin na kung in the near future, God willing, magkasama na tayo.
God willing, Beb. Kakayanin natin.
Alam mo, with God at the center of our relationship, kakayanin natin to.
Yes, Beb. Beb, naisip ko ba? Bakit ako?
Kasi, ikaw ang sagot ng may kapal sa dasal ko.
Ganun?
Yeah.
In my imagination, all moments reawaken, consciously captivated when you're on my mind. If every wall is breaking,
Wherever we go, whatever happens, you will always have a home with me.
With all my life, as God is with us, I will love you and I'll take care of you.